Are you tired of diets that don't work? Do you feel stuck in a cycle of losing weight and gaining it back? In this video, we're going to explore a revolutionary approach to health and wellness, the ketogenic diet. Discover why thousands of people around the world are choosing this lifestyle and how it can help you too. Get ready for a real transformation from the inside out. Are you frustrated with trying to lose weight without success? The ketogenic diet could be the solution you've been looking for. By drastically reducing carbohydrates and increasing your intake of healthy fats, you force your body to enter a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body begins to burn fat as its main fuel instead of glucose from carbohydrates. Imagine your body as a fat-burning machine, working day and night to help you reach your weight loss goals. And best of all, the keto diet is not about starving yourself. By eating foods rich in healthy fats and protein, you will feel fuller for longer, avoiding those cravings that make you go off track. Say goodbye to the rebound effect. The keto diet is not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle change. By maintaining a constant state of ketosis, your body adapts to this new metabolism, which means that the pounds you lose won't come back as easily as with other diets. Ready to see real and lasting results? The ketogenic diet gives you the power to take back control of your weight and your health. No more yo-yo dieting, it's time for a real transformation. If you are concerned about your blood sugar level, the ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for you, especially if you have type 2 diabetes or are at risk of developing it. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the keto diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the dangerous spikes that can damage your body in the long run. Imagine a life where you don't have to constantly worry about your glucose levels. With the keto diet, you can enjoy greater freedom and peace of mind, knowing that you are taking control of your health. Avocados, nuts, seeds and olive oil are just a few examples of delicious and healthy foods that you can enjoy on the keto diet, and that will also help you keep your sugar levels under control. It's not just about controlling type 2 diabetes, it's about preventing it from the start. The ketogenic diet can be your ally to live a longer and healthier life. Always remember to consult with your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you are taking medication for diabetes. More benefits. Unlock your maximum mental potential. Do you feel mentally drained at the end of the day? Do you struggle with brain fog and lack of concentration? The ketogenic diet may be the key to unlocking your maximum mental potential. By providing your brain with an alternative energy source, ketones, the keto diet improves mental clarity, concentration, and memory. Imagine being able to face your day with renewed mental energy, feeling alert, focused, and ready to face any challenge. Say goodbye to mental fatigue and the afternoon slump. The keto diet helps you maintain a steady flow of energy throughout the day, avoiding the ups and downs you experience with a high-carbohydrate diet. This means that you will be able to be more productive, make better decisions, and enjoy a greater sense of overall well-being. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply want to improve your cognitive function, the ketogenic diet can help you reach your maximum mental potential. Another benefit: relieve inflammation and recover your well-being. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a common problem today, and it can contribute to a number of health problems, from heart disease to autoimmune diseases. The good news is that the ketogenic diet has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, helping you feel better and prevent chronic diseases. Imagine your body free from the pain and discomfort of inflammation. The keto diet can help you achieve this by reducing the production of inflammatory substances in the body. At the same time, the keto diet promotes the production of antioxidants, which help protect your body from cell damage. This means that you will be able to enjoy better overall health with less pain, more energy, and a stronger immune system. The ketogenic diet is not just a diet, it is a lifestyle that allows you to take control of your health and well-being in the long term. Lastly, activate your body's metabolism. Did you know that your body can run on 2 types of fuel, sugar and ketones? The ketogenic diet helps your body remember how to use ketones efficiently. Ketones are a clean and efficient source of energy that is produced when your body breaks down fat instead of carbohydrates. By switching to a ketone-based metabolism, you will experience a number of benefits, such as increased energy, improved brain function, and increased fat burning. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, capable of burning fat efficiently for energy throughout the day. The keto diet helps you achieve this by optimizing your metabolism and helping you achieve an optimal metabolic state. It's not just about losing weight, it's about improving your health on every level. The ketogenic diet gives you the power to transform your body from the inside out. The ketogenic diet is much more than a simple diet. It's a lifestyle that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. From weight loss to improved brain function, the benefits of the keto diet are undeniable. Are you ready to discover how the keto diet can transform your life? Subscribe to Keto Energy for more tips, delicious recipes, and the support you need to succeed on your keto journey. Tell us in the comments if you've already tried the keto diet and how your experience has been. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content. See you soon.